Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be talking about how to change formulas to values. Along with that, we will also be talking about how we can update values without formulas. Let's begin.
In this episode, we will be referring to worksheet, convert formulas to values and update values. Let's look over convert formulas to values first. In column A, we find some values, names written, but there is something wrong which is in the names, like extra spacing which is available before the name in between. While when we come to column B, these are the defined values of the names written in column A using the trim function. Now, we would like to keep column B with us and would like to remove column A. For this, the easiest approach is select column B, copy it. The shortcut for copy function is Ctrl C. Move to column A, paste special. Shortcut for paste special is Ctrl Alt V. Select values over here. Click on OK button. We will be having our updated values in column A. Now, another one. Select column B. Take your mouse pointer to the boundary till it changes to the 4 arrow. Click on right mouse button. Drag it to the column A. Drop it. Choose the option copy here as values only. We will be having our updated values in column A. Now, another one. We would like to have our values in column B itself. Select column B. Take the mouse pointer to column boundary of a column B. Drag it rotate it anywhere among the sheet. Bring it back to column B. Paste copy here. Select as copy here as values only. Now, as we can see, the trim function is being removed from here. Now, let's move to a new column, which is new salary. New salary has been calculated for the employees. Okay, let's look over the formula. Based on the previous salary and the percentage which has been provided, a new salary has been calculated for the form. But we do not want to have both of these columns with us. We only want to have updated salary in this column, but do not want to change the heading. So what we will be doing is selecting by pressing shift and double clicking over the down arrow. All the columns are selected. Take the mouse pointer to the boundary till it changes to 4 arrow. Drag it to column match, drop it, copy here as values only. We will be having our updated salaries over here. We can delete this column. Now, let's move to the another worksheet, update values. From this section, we can analyze that for first 6 months, certain values has been calculated, but we have somewhat figured it out that these values are wrongly calculated. These values all should be increased by 5. So instead of writing different formulas to increase all those values by 5, what I will be preferring over here is write the value with which we would like to increase all these values. For our case, it is 5. Copy it using Ctrl C. Select the cell range in which you would like to add them. Paste special. Ctrl Alt V. Click on operations, add. OK. We are having updated values over here. Now remove this. Another section. These values are used to project the next term scores. So we would like to have a figure that if we will be increasing our sales by 10%, then what will be our scores? In that case, we have to multiply these figures by number 1.1. So what do you suggest? Should we write the formulas for all of them differently? What I will be suggesting is write 1.1 or the selected value over here, copy it, select the cell range in which you would like to perform the operation, Control Alt V for paste special, click on multiply and click on OK. We are having our updated values over here. Hope you really like this video. If you really like it, press the like button, share your opinions and views in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.